Hey man, I told y'all about a month ago there are gonna be some crazy issues with the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. And it's just crazy that, I was scrolling on Twitter and I seen somebody post a pair of these. I'm gonna show you guys a picture in today's video. But I said, man, that is what happens when we get some of these mass-produced classics, these OG colorways and stuff like that. It is meant to be. And guess what people were also saying? They're saying the 2018 pair was much better in terms of overall quality than the Black Cement 2024 Air Jordan 3s. We got a lot to talk about in today's video. Stick around, stay tuned. We got some evidence to show y'all across social media in terms of the huge elephant in the room, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. I gotta grab him real quick, bro, because I done had him for a couple days, and every time I see him, I say, yo, I need my size 9 these things. It's crazy. If you guys did not see the full early look, go check out yesterday's video where we did a first look on these Legend Blue guys. Nike, Jordan Brand, thank you. Y'all executed these perfectly. The only thing is, they didn't give us an extra box, and we're paying $230 retail tax. So you're gonna pay about $250, $260 after tax and fees, depending on where you live at. It's crazy. That's the only issue I got with the Legend Blues, but yeah, you can't make everybody happy. I'm just, I'm happy still that we got Legend Blues, but it is, of course, some gripes and complaints that we're gonna get in the sneaker community, bro. $230 retail tag, no special box, no special presentation. Nike, y'all can do better, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please do your boy a huge solid, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. We ain't not perfect time, we ain't not giving back time. So all I'm asking you guys to do is hit that like button. It really does help the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And we are also, out here just chop up with you guys, see what's going on in the sneaker community. And I told you I will be reacting to that Complex Con Top 10. I don't agree with it at all. I think it's a bunch of BS, but hey, we're gonna see what it's hitting for, and we're gonna chop it up, man. All right, guys, so here we have them, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. These ain't the remasters, not the reimagines as we thought, previously in the year. This is just a retro of the OG Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. And I got a couple of pictures again that I seen today on Twitter. I said, it ain't no way Nike is shipping out these shop drop pairs with these crazy issues. Just check out the pictures I'm putting up on the screen. And I was like, yo, it's been some times where we have gotten, bad quality, inconsistent quality with Air Jordan 3s. Point in case, the Air Jordan 3 White Cement reimagined, you guys know some pairs were light, some pairs were dark in terms of elephant print. Same thing with this. We got the light elephant print, but it ain't know it's gonna come with some crazy, crazy scuffs, paint issues, and the leather, bro. And I know a lot of people say leather is soft and stuff like that compared to the 2018 pair, and I'm gonna keep standing on that. And there's been people in the comment section helping me out, bro, vouching for that. The 2018 pair quality to me is much better than the 2024, and I'm not trying to knock these at all, because I still think it is a dope pair. It's a newer version. It's more towards the OG cut. Again, I agree with that. It is more towards the OG cut in terms of the Air Jordan 3s and the Black Cements that released back in '88. But look at these, man. Look at the quality, bro. Look at that dark elephant print. I know the elephant print was super high on the toe box, which a lot of people complained about, and they got it right with these. But I don't know. Do y'all like the dark, elephant print or the light? That's something that's up to y'all interpretation, how y'all feel about it. But to me, again, the 2024 shape is immaculate, but the leather, I feel like they could have did better, in terms of the leather quality. Give us some White Cement 3 leather. I don't know why they didn't do that. They gave us this joint right here, which again, ain't too crazy, but when you go back and look at the I'm a Year Air Jordan 3s and see how buttery that leather was, you be like, Nike, Jordan Brand, y'all charging us, what, $215, $220 for these? And you come with all these issues, it kind of becomes a problem. You guys know what we do here. We talk about sneakers, we talk about the releases, we talk about what's going on, and we have to be honest when it comes to Nike and Jordan Brand and what they are doing, bro. So you guys seen the pictures, you guys see what's up. I know I got some people watching today's video that have had these same issues when they received their shop drop pairs. So if you are one of those people, man, let us know in the comment section. I'm super interested in knowing. Again, the pictures were outlandish. I would have returned them joints and just waited till the 23rd and grab a new fresh pair. But hey, one thing that ain't gonna change is that leather quality. Like, sometimes we have gotten inconsistent leather quality, like some is tumbled, some aren't. Again, like the reimagined threes, but all the pairs I've seen had this flat like looking leather and a bunch of scuffs on the midsole of these guys. But something I ain't seen today was the stuff y'all see on these pictures. I said, bro, ain't no way. Nike, I need my money back. You're gonna have to give me a new pair, and I'm just gonna wait till the 23rd. But you guys, just be prepared. Do not be alarmed when you go pick your pair up. If you do get them in store, if I was you, I would say, yo, can I check out a couple of those, my sizes to make sure I can get the right one. I know that don't sound, too realistic, because the day of the drop, there are going to be a lot of people coming out the woodworks trying to cop a pair of the Black Cement 3s. They're still going to sell out. They're still going to do numbers just because it is the Black Cement 3s. Very, very versatile. OG colorway. Black Cement 3s probably number one in a lot of people in terms of the Air Jordan 3 colorways. Me, I'm a white cement type of guy, just based on my style. But the Black Cement, to a lot of people, are the best Air Jordan 3 of all time, man. But like I said, be ready, be prepared. And since I got everybody here, let me go ahead and grab them one more time, because now that some people got their pairs in hand, some people still have their 2018 pair. Let me know down below in the comment section, which one do you think is better overall? Overall, which one do you think is better, 2024 or the 2018? And again, super close to the release. These just came out. I don't know. I think it's give about 10 years in between retros. I think that would be all right. 10 years, but 6 years, 7 years, then you're cutting too close. Then it's not going to be a lot of anticipation for them. And hey, I don't know. It's just a lot of ways you can view it and see it. But to me, Black Cement 3 2024, something that I will not be copping personally. I will wait for the next 7-8 years, and I'm gonna get a fresh pair out. This right here will be broken up, crumbled, all that stuff. I'm cool with it. 2024 pair, I just can't get with it, man. I don't know what it is. I just can't get jiggy with it. But one more time, bro, just look at these guys. Oh man, I am so happy, so excited. Again, it's a size 10. And I'm up here contemplating on throwing this size 10 on. As you guys know, I went up to a size 9.5, fit much better for my feet. I might be in a size 10 in a couple seconds, because, man, these are immaculate. And I was confused, or not confused. I was a little bit surprised. Because, again, these ain't came out since 2014. A little bit surprised to see the lack of people wanting them. I was like, yo, that's crazy. I thought a lot more people would be excited for these to come out. But just based off the comments that I, seen on my last video pertaining to these Legend Blues, there was a lot of people saying they passing. They said, forget these, give me Legend Blues. And me, I don't know. I think I'm the other way around. I'd rather have the Legend Blues than the Gammas. Because again, you guys know I'm more of a white dominant type shoe person. You guys seen I choose the white cements over the black cement. So I think kind of more of like a personal thing, I don't know. Me personally, I'm rocking with the Legend Blues over the Gammas slightly. Nothing too crazy, but if I had to pick and choose, I'm going with the Legend Blues. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy, but hey, I'm just being honest with you guys. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Be prepared. Don't be alarmed. Beware for the huge issues that you're going to see with your Black Cement 3s. It's going to happen, man. It happens almost every huge release. And it's just something that, just to be prepared for. We just chop it up about it and be ready for those inconsistencies, those scuffs that you guys seen in the pictures and stuff. It's just crazy. 230 or 220, 215, anything over 200 is just crazy nowadays for Jordan Brand. But you're going to pay. You're going to get them, and Jordan going to keep dropping these sneakers. But again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Drop a couple comments down below or two, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man.